shout out, like, share, and subscribe this video. Hindi ba kayo nagtataka kung bakit po lalaki ako ngayon? Surprise! I-reveal ko mamaya. And then, sasabihin ko kung ano yung ginagamit kong sabon. Or andito ba kayo para sa mga ginagamit kong sabon? This is the part of the video and watch 2 to 3 minutes at i-reveal ko yung ginagamit kong sabon. So, andito na naman tayo, no? Before that, magkwentuhan muna tayo. Ito na nga, so, naliligo na naman ako. Then,
Dula, educate them about the perla and keratin. Tapos magtagalog ka. Educate them sa keratin saka sa perla. Tanong ko lang and i-shout out mo sila din. Humingi ka ng subscription. Subscribe, sabihin mo subscribe. Then ask for their likes and comments. Magtanong ka sa comment, okay?
Here's your ready-to-use script. Perfect for video voiceover, caption, or community post. Script, post text. Sawabuna! Shout out to everyone watching from Philippines, Brazil, Thailand, Indonesia. Thank you so much for making this go viral. Today, let me share and teach you this amazing secret. Perla plus keratin combo. Simple, affordable, and works magic for skin and hair. What it does: makes skin super soft, smooth, glowing, and healthy. Helps repair, soften, and strengthen hair too. Gentle, safe, budget-friendly, easy to find anywhere. Quick how-to. Use Perla for gentle cleansing. Mix or follow with keratin treatment. Lock in moisture and shine. Perfect for daily care and bath routine. Your turn now. Like if you love this. Comment. Tell me which country you're from or your own result. Subscribe and tap so you never miss more tips, secrets, and updates. Sawabuna again. Let's keep sharing, glowing, and growing together. Do you want me to also make a shortened version for YouTube Shorts so it's faster and punchier?
Dula, tawag dun, pasalamatan mo sila sa 80k views natin. Then CTA call to action is tawag dun, magtanong ka kung anong gusto nilang i-review nating apps na gumagamit ng AI. Thank you. So, video community post script. Sawabuna, big warm shout out and deepest thanks to everyone who commented, liked, shared, and stayed here. You are heart of this channel. Thank you, Philippines. Thank you, Indonesia. Thank you, Brazil. And thank you, Thailand. Look what we built together. 80,000 views and still rising. Yes, we are officially viral. None of this happens without you. Every comment pushes us higher. Every share brings new people in. Please keep the love coming. Please keep like this video, comment below, tell me where you are watching from. Subscribe and tap the bell notification. So we're just getting started. Let's keep soaring together. Salamat guys. This is all because of you. And see you sa next upload. Bye bye.